Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
To replace filter 3, locate your water filter cover, which is located at the bottom of the refrigerator's base grill. Next, push the eject button to release the filter. Pull the filter out and discard it. Open your new filter and remove the protective coverings from the O-rings. Place the filter cap on the new cartridge so the ridges align. Turn the cap clockwise to lock into place. When inserting the new filter into the slot, make sure the arrow is pointing to the left. Push the filter in until the eject button pops back out. Once your filter is replaced, run 4 gallons of water through the line to properly flush the new filter.